Not hearing that. Hello? Hello? Metal roof.
The broker just reached out to me about 15 minutes ago. He said, did your 3 o'clock appointment show up? I said, not yet.
Yes, sir. I ran into a little bit of traffic.
That's all right.
He was telling me, is this the lot that he was discussing that's separate?
I'm going to show you. I'll start with outside.
Got you. Okay.
Give you a tour.
Okay, great.
Give you a little insight. I told him to take his wife out today and enjoy her.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, of
And
course.
not mess their wonderful day up. How you doing?
Of course. I'm
My
doing
name is
great.
Coleman.
My name is Majesty.
Pleasure to meet you, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, let's take a walk out here. How you doing, Mr. Willie? This is your property line.
Okay.
Right here. There are 2 entrances. This lower staircase will take you to the bottom floor,
Okay.
which you have a front door and a back door.
Okay.
Okay. You have 2 balconies. You have a front balcony and a rear balcony.
Okay.
Okay. Hey, sir, can I borrow $50 to get a cup of coffee?
50? Where the hell are you going?
Here's my. Give me this jacket. Is it
You're always asking for my jacket. So let me keep
How
my
you
own
doing?
clothes.
How you doing?
Been good. How about you?
Good. Okay. So the fence. You saw the fence. And you, oh, I'm sorry, sir.
Got you.
That's your property line. Straight.
Got
Boom.
you. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Now,
Makes sense.
We're gonna do number 2. About right in here is lot 2.
Got you.
These are 2 separate owners. My boss owns that, and this is a separate entity.
Understood.
Okay. That's your easement.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Your roof is put on in August of 2020.
Okay.
There is some previous ceiling damage, drywall damage, and I'll show it to you. There's 10 units. All units are set up exactly the same. The same setup.
Mm-hmm.
You'll have a kitchenette as you walk in, a closet area, a bathroom.
Okay. I guess I'll lead the way. Bathroom.
They're all set up identical.
Perfect. Okay. That's the. Got you. Got your back door. That's not. Is that functional?
Well, they were.
Okay.
They were, but you know you're gonna change all that.
Yeah.
And bring it
Definitely.
into,
Yeah, did have carpet. Okay, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. We got this back here. Got the window units down there. Those are downstairs units. Exterior light. Okay, these are actually in better condition than I thought. Yeah. Pictures, video, all of that. Yep. Yeah. So I've been getting pictures and footage. Yes, sir. Okay, great.
all units are vacant,
Okay.
which is a big asset. And I'll tell you why. It's a pain in the ass to get unwanted residents.
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. It sure is. It literally is across the street from. Yeah, I thought that. I mean, I saw that, but it's literally wow. Okay.
I'm gonna take you around the side. It is is literally. That's the entryway that allows you to go through there. Like I said, the 5 units are identical. The bottom units are identical to the same layout.
Yeah, no. I have no choice but to get in that way. So I guess for now, does U-Haul allow people to drive through if they, hypothetically, would they allow that at all? Or the easement obviously of doing something here would be best, getting this lot and doing something here.
Right.
But do they allow that?
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay.
The gentleman that owns that, you will ask the property, actually lives right there.
Oh, okay, got you.
And he
Okay.
is one of the nine. You will not have any problems.
Okay.
He will draw you up.
Cool. Utility closet.